It's a game that I heard about during, I know I'm a little late to the party, but, yeah. I'm gonna be trying it out, considering I've seen gameplay of it, though I'm actually excited whenever the next chapter comes out, so I can actually play it. So this way, I'm getting ahead of myself and getting the one over with. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. And there's Molly. And of course, new game. Birds of a Feather. Okay. Also, before you ask, I do have a Discord channel, but go to you, it's later.
For all who
I'll
journey
put it
to this
into like
newfound
whatever
paradise, we welcome you.
description.
Indigo
So,
Park offers a slice of the
but whenever
American dream.
that's
Call
coming up,
your own.
uh,
In this
be sure to
place, echoes of days gone are brought back to
do
life
whatever
as
you
a new
want.
generation captures a
Just
glimpse of the
be sure to
exciting
follow the
potential
rules
of
in the
tomorrow.
future.
Indigo Park
Discord.
pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and
Hey
faith,
man,
where your dreams
make face. Not skipping this. For people who are. Now, the only reason why I know about this is through Untitled Goose, which Fred. I think it is. Uh, all I know is that he has the Foxy like logo. I can't remember his name at the moment. But yeah, them for something interesting. You know, let's talk to them. But if y'all want to, uh, yeah, chapter one. Okay, here we go. Hey, Riley. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to 100% this. So if I'm missing anything, luckily I do know how to sprint. Got it. Right click. Is it E? Oh, it's E. Okay, got it. Finley. Let me make sure I don't miss anything. That lighting's actually great. Holy. And we're about to meet.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience.
I'm not sure if
Welcome to the world
the
of your favorite
cam.
Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to
Making
make
sure I
sure
don't
your
miss
experience here
anything.
at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
I just use E
Hi,
to.
I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park?
Sorry
Or
if my
did
mic
you
is
just get
echoing.
plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Yeah, bad news. I already know what the. Oh. I was so confused. Uh, yeah, eventually I will get me a better setup, but this is the one I'm going to be working with right now.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway. Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini-ramp adventure. Have fun!
Instant
The Indigo Violet Compact
E.
Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
There we go. And direct. The gate is now open. Make sure I didn't miss anything. It'd be a shame if I missed something.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Alright, before I go into grab the thing, I'm gonna grab that.
Oh, silly Rambley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up. There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Okay. The credit card. Nice.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day? Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Yeah, don't think I don't forget about the creepy statue. Definitely a creepy statue. Won't forget about it. Yeah, definitely. If I miss anything, please let me know in the comments, because I'm just... I'm just going through this, trying to see 100% it, and... Be sure I don't miss anything.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off.
Oh, I can't play this on controller.
Great
Cool.
with a ride on my railroad. To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Whoops. I can jump. Cool.
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambling's Railroad? Because I like trains.
Great. uh, Rambly is definitely a character. Making sure.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad.
Yep.
I'm Conductor Rambly.
And there goes the static. And Molly. And the bird, I think, should...
Oh, look! It's Molly McCaw!
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Molly. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming!
What's barnstorming?
Right there.
Crashing with style!
There's the quote-unquote Molly.
Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like
Sorry.
great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop racing!
Admission included with the critter costume.
I'm guessing the next one is... Alright, this one's destroyed. We're heading under the sea, I think. To meet
Oh, Finley!
Finley,
Come on
yes.
out and greet the people!
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about
Yeah,
the wonders down under
that
the
it
blue sea.
implicates a threat in the
It's
future
as
chapter.
blue as
I
me. I hope you'll visit.
Yeah, in the future he's gonna be he's the next threat. I know that one. I know that for a fact. So before, this is the reason why I'm doing it. It's because before he's here, I'm gonna... Alright. I'm guessing the squirrel is next. Or skunk. Alright, time to fix Rambly. Sure I don't miss anything. He hurts Lloyd. On the gear. And the other gear... Oh, there's a hat. Knew I was... Lloyd's limos. Next is Lloydford L. Line, I think it's his name. But get ready for a grand. And I know this bird's gonna be right here. Right here.
Here you go, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
I see you, bird.
Of course it was. I'm the real star.
I think I didn't notice you. I know she was also in Oceanic Odyssey, Oceanic Odyssey bit too, but I just didn't want to see her.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
First things first, I'm gonna search around. Make sure I don't miss anything. Shift. Is it you? X. Flashlight. Back on. Sorry about my makeup. Cool. Yeah. Sweet kitty. Sweet baby. Yeah, all these pastries are gone bad. Wait. Except for that. The only one I see that's not gone bad is the cinnamon roll. Interesting. Everything else has. And the cookies? Hold up. Hold the phone. Yeah, the cookies and the cinnamon roll is just fine. Turn off the flashlight. Yeah, the nuts, the cookies, the cinnamon roll, except for the muffin, and actually I think also the muffin. They're all good. Huh. Probably stale though. How long they've been here. Back on flashlight. Don't trust the flashlight. Okay. Soon I'll... Okay, there's the information kiosk.
This here's an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna need to complete the quest. Get the Lloyd one where... Oh wait. This gold rambly plush, the mask, the pooch. Okay. Hmm. I'm gonna keep searching in case I do find something else. Let's go rambly. Cool. Make sure I don't miss anything else, because I got the golden rambly. Yeah, the way they did this, the way United Geese did this is actually good. This ain't about no goose being cooked. This is about a goose cooking. Sheesh.
Well, look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
I still love the pun for main stage. Time to face Lloyd. I hate to do it. Lions are actually pretty cool. First problem is Lloyd. Making sure that bird doesn't follow. Left stage.
Hey, buddy. I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter glove is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Dun, dun. Being sure I don't miss. Yeah, a lot of these chairs have been pulled out from my nails. Sheesh. I just know that if my great uncle were here, he would be livid of the state this place is in. Very much livid. And he'll try to repair this place too, from the ground up. I see you, motherfucker. Hi. Fuck yourself over. Making sure I don't. Every gamer's casual setup, except mine. Okay. Hello, fucking bird. Fix my flashlight. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna make this like a... No, this is gonna be done in one shot. And whenever chapter 2 comes out, I will be doing it as its own separate video. So, yeah. Yeah, alright, let me go to the information kiosk just to make sure I have everything. I still don't... I forgot where to get that, but, yeah. I'm gonna try to find it during the whole thing.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take an up at Molly's landing pad.
Not at the moment. I'll be actually looking around first. Because there's a mini game I want to check out, and then try to find the rest of these. Apparently, also Molly has a... time for... this is basically just an arcade game, got it. Bitch. Wait, nope, wrong ones. Wrong spot. Dang it. Okay. Here? Nope. Wrong spot. I know it's one of these areas. Is it here? Nope. Much further down. Got it. Nope, wrong spot. Okay, okay, I'm gonna just play it normally without trying to get the... Okay, I definitely passed it. No, right. It's one of these, I know it. Like, you can see I can go down there. Just don't know the right spot. It's in the other one? Oh, that's a glitched. Alright, Untitled Goose. Wrong spot. Got it. Damn it. Eh. Shit. Yeah, Salem is coming. Right. That was surprisingly easy. And now, time to get back to that. Now I just need to find that Lloyd plush. Wait. Wait, this is where I find the poodle. I know that's poodle toy.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
You should have just said, take the stairs back down. Shit. Not hard to say. I feel like I'm missing some stuff, but I feel like I'm missing a few things, but I can't seem to find. Yeah, whatever. If I miss it, I'll come back for it. Hmm. Blue star. I know I'm leading up to a chase scene, so. Whee! Yellow circle. Want to place that in, considering I'm right next nearby, so. I'll go follow Molly. Red star. It's a red star. Red star. Red star, red star, red star. I got yellow circle, red star. Green triangle. Basic 180. 180. Again. Blue star. So 2 stars, 1 triangle. Hi, motherfucker. You're fine. I am going into a chase theme. Wish me luck. Going into a chase theme. We down the chip side. Something I haven't been in a hot minute. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna be chased from. Shit. I couldn't move. Let's try that chasing again. Some trying. Eerie fun. Sorry about that. Nope. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna place my thing right here. That way it's because why would I don't know why I'm gonna okay. Okay. After I get done with Molly's section. Really turn the fuck around. To the zoom. Watch. Yeah, I'm dead. Hmm. Okay. The only reason why I'm having difficulties is not good with keyboard. If this game was controller compatible, I would be gladly taking it over this. But luckily, it's set up the controller to do that, but 360 to a nope.
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This one's staff only. Come on in, new staff.
Beheaded. Oh dear lord.
Welcome to the Ramblers Wranglers registered room.
I'm not sure how many times I
Amenities
did.
Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But, I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I
Yeah.
can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business. Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler security room to set yourself...
There's a doll I need. Ah, there we go.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Alright. Got the tune. Got the mask. Okay. Making sure I don't miss anything. Leave that side. No, I got every one. I'm surprised I actually remembered where all they are. Well, then again, there goes me 100% this game in terms of Oceanic Odyssey. Quick pass.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Alright, time to
You'll
see.
find a pumper if porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. Never really know what lies beneath the surface.
There's Finley. And that's a
Hey,
bit.
buddy.
I'm not sure how.
You okay?
I'm gonna see how much
You
I
look
time.
kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us?
Honestly,
Earn your trust at Indigo Park.
you partially and
There is a
you
stark
partially got my trust
contrast
for
to
being
everything
honest.
I know this place should be.
But yeah,
Out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park,
yeah. Indigo Park is actually
my
really.
remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn.
Yeah, I'm sorry for bringing this late to the party, but
You're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given
into
a
the
spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
yeah. Before I go into the
Indigo Park, more than my remarks are
we're going
mysteries.
to any
I don't know what
paid games that you have to pay for.
the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you
So yeah, and I will be streaming
all my
on.
old friends are united again, and I won't feel so
I will be
left
streaming the
behind.
Outcome Memories update whenever it comes out for
Okay, I'll let
Roblox.
you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.
That's on the 13th, so you will be seeing me on the 3rd. I'll be streaming during that time with some friends of mine. So yeah, and be sure to check out Untitled Goose, who actually created this game with some people, with some with their dev team. So kudos to y'all. Kudos to Daco and um Z Gamer, I think it is. FoxyZGamer, I think it is. Thank y'all for showing me this game, even though I only know y'all via, and I am subscribed to y'all, so be sure to subscribe to them whenever you get the chance. But until considering that fact, I'm gonna main menu. Did yeah. I got meat geese and hope you thank y'all for watching. Video was good to anybody who's actually not played Indigo Park, but has Steam and a good computer, hopefully. Uh, but if y'all have a bad computer, I think this game also allows that. But without, I'll see y'all in the next multiverse. Hasta luego, adios, and have a good day.